How to set Kiwi Browser as default browser. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and then scroll down to apps. Then go to the default apps section and here click on browser app. Then select Kiwi Browser to make it and set it as the default browser. As you can see, it's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can make and set the Kiwi browser as the default browser in your mobile device. If you have any questions, as usual, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, I will see you in the next video. Take care.